The next question which we are going to solve is, it is given that 3y cos theta is equals to 2x sin theta and 4x sec theta minus 3y cosec theta is equals to 2, and we have to show that 4x square plus 9y square is equals to 4. Very simple sum. We just have to find out the values of x and y from these two equations, substitute in the left hand side, we will get our answer. So let us try to solve this first equation and see what we get. Just rearranging, we can write down 3y upon 2x is equals to sin theta upon cos theta, right? Let it be as it is. Let us try to rearrange the second equation. If we convert into its basic forms, we get something like this. From this one, we can conclude that 3y upon sin theta is equals to 2x upon cos theta. This substitution can be used here, which will help us simplify. So instead of 3y sin theta, we can write down as 2x upon cos theta. Simplifying it further, we get 2x equal to 2 cos theta, x equal to cos theta. One of the values we have got. Let us use this value in this equation to find out the value of y. So 3y upon 2 cos theta, in place of x I write down cos theta, sin theta upon cos theta. Cos theta gets cancelled, the value of y will be 2 by 3 sin theta. So value of y also we have got, value of x also we have got. Let us try to use them in left hand side of the equation. Taking left hand side of the equation, 4x square plus 9y square is equals to 4. The value of x square is cos square theta, value of y square is 2 by 3, that is 4 by 9, and sin square theta. So 9 gets cancelled, 4 common, cos square theta plus sin square theta. As per the standard identity, this value is 1, hence the answer is 4. Next question we have is, find the least value of sin square theta plus cosec square theta. Again, that is a very simple question. We know that for sin theta, the range is greater than -1 and less than -1. So we want least value. So let us take the least value of sin theta. So least value of the sin theta is -1, its square. For cosec also the least value is -1 square. This becomes 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So the 2 will be the least value for this question. The same question, if we try to do other way, we know that sin theta is greater than -1 and less than 1. And similarly for cosec theta, we know that its value is less than -1. Less than -1 means -2, -3, -4, any numbers. And its value can also be greater than 1, 2, 3, 4. However, we are concerned with least value. So least value of the cosec theta will be -1, -2, -3, -4. Which one? So -2 is obviously greater than -1. -3 is greater than -1. So we take -1 as a least value. So similarly, for least value for the sin square theta is -1, and least value for the cosec square theta is -1, its square. Hence, the least value is 2. So we can say that sin square theta plus cosec square theta, its value will always be greater than or equal to 2. The least value possible is 2. Next question which we discuss is, it is given that sin theta is equals to 2pq upon p square plus q square. Then we have to prove that sec theta plus tan theta is equals to p plus q upon p minus q. How to solve this? We know the value of sin theta. We can find out the value of cos theta from this. So let us find out the value of cos theta. So the value of the cos theta will be under root of 1 minus sin square theta. That will be equal to under root of 1 minus 4 p square q square upon p square plus q square whole square. Simplifying this further, we get a square plus p square plus 2ab, and this side minus 4 p square q square divided by p square plus q square whole square. In the next step, this can be written as plus minus, so minus 2 p square q square. This can be written as p square minus q square whole square upon p square plus q square whole square, whole under the root. So root gets cancelled, leaving behind p square minus q square upon p square plus q square. So value of the cos theta we have. Now utilizing this in this proof, so utilizing these values of sin theta and cos theta, we can write down as taking left hand side of the equation sec theta plus tan theta, that is 1 upon cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. The value of cos theta we have found out here, that will be p square plus q square upon p square minus q square. Please be careful, this is cos theta and we are substituting 1 upon cos theta, so reciprocal. And the value of sin theta is 2pq upon p square plus q square whole divided by the value of cos theta is p square minus q square upon p square plus q square. These denominators get cancelled. Simplifying further, it is plus 2pq upon p square minus q square. So this will be p plus q whole square. Denominator can be written as p minus q into p plus q. Simplifying, we get our required right hand side. The next question that we take up is question number 9. It is given that tan theta is equals to a upon b. Then we have to find out the values of a sin theta minus b cos theta upon a sin theta plus b cos theta. Right, so dividing numerator and denominator both by the cos theta, dividing numerator by the cos theta and dividing denominator by the sin theta. So numerator becomes, dividing this sin goes and here it becomes, numerator we have divided with the cos theta. So sin upon cos becomes tan theta and this becomes 1. And denominator also we divide with the cos theta. So sin upon cos becomes tan theta and this cos theta gets cancelled. I will write down here numerator and denominator both are divided by cos theta. It should be very clear that sin upon cos is going to give us tan, so I have divided numerator and denominator both by cos theta. Simplifying this further, the value of tan theta is a by b, again a by b plus b. Simplifying further, this gives a square minus b square upon a square plus b square. This is the answer.